Okay, let's talk about a few mesh cleanup tips. So one of these tools you'll be using quite a bit is you'll be needing to get rid of components on your mesh. And there's a few ways we can do that. So the first one is the X menu. You bring that up, that's your delete menu. We have all these different options here. The one you're going to use the most is probably dissolve edges. Now the shortcut to that is Control X. And what dissolving will do is not only will it remove the edges, but also the vertices connected to those, which is really important for keeping your mesh clean without artifacts. There's a few other things we can do here. In our X menu, if we only want to delete faces and leave our wireframe, we can do that. We can delete faces and edges. And these delete the vertex and the components connected to it. Same with all the other ones. Now if we dissolve that vertex, watch what happens. I have an end gone. That can be useful. You can remove all edge loops, things like that. Some other tools to keep in mind. So you're going to be merging vertices as well to clean things up. So your M menu is your merge menu. We can merge at center, merge at cursor, collapse, and we can also merge at first or last. And this takes into account the active selection. So we can see one is white. That means it's our active selection. That's important. There's a few other tools in here. So we have what's it? Cleanup. In our cleanup menu, delete all loose geometry. We can decimate, which will triangulate and lower the poly count. Limited dissolve. That's more visible on high resolution meshes. And the other thing you'll want to keep in mind, so by distance is very important. Let's say we have an extra vert here. I'll just move that over for now. Maybe we've got like an overlapping vertex. Well, let's merge by distance. We may need to bring this up a bit. And now they're merged. And that's a quick way to remove doubles, which I believe is the Maya option. They're what they call it in Maya. Okay. We can also symmetrize our mesh. And that can be helpful if you've messed up one side and you need to fix the other one. Okay, and that's removing mesh component.